What's the meaning of backswing? Backswing. Backswing.
Backswing. Backswing. Backswing is a term used in various sports such as golf, tennis, and baseball. It refers to the initial stage of the motion where the player or athlete moves their arm or racket backward, away from the intended target. This backward movement is crucial in generating power and momentum for the ensuing forward swing or stroke. In golf, the backswing is essential to set the club head in the proper position and build kinetic energy that propels the ball further. In tennis, the backswing helps players prepare for their shots and generate more topspin or power. Overall, the backswing is a critical component of athletic performance and can greatly impact the resulting motion speed, accuracy, and force.